Amazon Web Services (AWS) almost instantly provides resources and services on demand with pay-as-you-go pricing. AWS also provides innovative business applications with the same on-demand scalability, reliability, pay-as-you-go pricing, and machine learning that drives AWS cloud infrastructure. These innovative business applications can provide intelligent assistance to be more productive in meetings, can aggregate and normalize security data across SaaS applications, can provide communication service that transforms online meetings, can add real-time video, voice, and messaging in your applications, can provide omnichannel cloud contact center for any business to deliver better customer service at low cost, can send targeted messages to your customers through multiple engagement channels, can provide cost-effective, flexible, and scalable email service that enables developers to send mail from within any application, can secure enterprise storage and sharing service with strong administrative controls and feedback capabilities that improve user productivity, and can provide business email and calendar service with support for existing desktop and mobile email client applications. In short, AWS innovative business applications have options in all possible perspectives to support developing your business and driving it to the next level.